Hi there, this is Burak Şambak from Istanbul. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create optical illusions on portrait photographs. We will need a pattern image and a portrait shot, and that's all. Let's dive into Photoshop for details. We are inside Photoshop and this is the portrait shot. I have a membership in Canva, so I got it from Canva, and I have a stock image from Adobe Stock. So I'm just going to select all, edit, copy, and then I'm going to paste it here. Edit, paste. I like to make some transformations and I'll press just Ctrl T. It is Command T on a Mac. Right click and then warp. This is up to you, whatever you do. Then I'm just going to commit my changes. I'll be changing the blending mode to screen, and I'm just going to access to levels by Ctrl L or Command L on a Mac. Increase the contrast a little bit. Press OK. Then select all, edit, copy, select, deselect. Now I can turn the visibility off. I'll choose my background layer and I'm going to just add a layer mask, a white layer mask, and then I'll press Alt or Option on a Mac and then edit and paste, and then I'll press the visibility button. Now all is fine for me. I'll press select and then deselect, and then I'll make a copy of this layer with the layer mask. So I'm just making a copy right now. I'm just going to choose the layer mask. Now I'll just delete this layer mask. Now you see that nothing is coming up, but don't worry, we will do something like this. We will press Ctrl T or Command T and then right click with the mouse and then flip horizontal, and now things started to get weird. This is all you can do for now, but if you want to change something, press just Enter, choose the layer above, and then with Ctrl T or Command T you can just change the appearance if you like. And press Enter to commit your changes. If you like this tutorial, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more to come, and do not forget to push the like button. Let's meet in great photographs. All the best from Istanbul. Burak Şambak.